Okay, this is the disassembly of the UTG L96. You're going to need the Allen wrench that came with the gun, a 1mm Allen wrench, and a Phillips screwdriver, number 1. Okay, so first, and needle nose pliers. First, you're going to want to unscrew the gun, like the way it came. You're going to want to unscrew it. And you should take off your scope if you're doing this, but I'm not going to. So we're going to fast forward to this part. Okay, so once you're done tightening those, you're going to want to take it into 2 pieces and set that aside. Next, you're going to need your 1mm Allen wrench to unscrew this. And this is where most people break their guns. They forget they don't unscrew this, and they just try twisting the barrel, like unscrewing the actual barrel without unscrewing this, and that will break your gun. And you don't want to lose that. That's an important part, that little screw thing. So you want to unscrew this, and we're going to fast forward to this too. You're just going to want to unscrew that. So you just want to slide that off once you unscrew that. And I'm going to show you how to disassemble the barrel first. So you're going to want to unscrew that little screw in the magazine holder. Okay. And then, sorry about that, you're just going to slide it out. And you have your barrel spacers, and I have some homemade stuff that will keep it in place. And then you have your hop up, which mine's broken. Normally this would be a little out further, and there'd be something around there holding that in. And then if you want to take off you just unscrew that, and you take it out. There's a bucking, and then there's a little like washer that you're going to need to put in if you take that apart for like upgrading a barrel or something. Okay, so we're going to set that aside for now. And then you have the actual bolt mechanism. If you want to take that out, you're just going to want to pull the firing pin. This firing pin, you pull that, and the bolt just slides out. Okay. And then this way you need your needle nose pliers if you want to. Just gonna unscrew. There you go. You're going to have your all your stuff. You got your piston, your spring, and I forget what this is called. Yeah, and that's how you disassemble it. And then if you want to take off the bolt, you just unscrew that. And then to take off the trigger, there's a screw there and a screw there, and you just unscrew that and you can pull it out. And now to put it back together. Okay, so then once you get that in, you just want to twist it. And just want to tighten that. And those holes are where you want to stick your needle nose pliers, in those 2 little holes.
It's hard to do this with a camera.
Whatever. Okay. And then you need to slide this back in, there's part of the trigger. No, you actually have to push down with the pliers, and you just can slide it in. There we go. You just can slide that in. And then you just want to slide your firing pin in. And then to reassemble the barrel.
Wrong way, dude.
I know, that's just wanna slide that down and get that centered. It's easier to do with a screwdriver. You want to screw this in until you make sure it's tight. Okay. Then we will fast forward through this part too. So you don't screw it in all the way because all the way is right there and it needs to be centered. So you want to get that as close to centered as possible. Take your small screw thing, get your 1mm Allen wrench, which apparently mine's magnetic. There you go. You screw this in. Take your body. And slide that in. Then you screw this in like when you got the gun. And you make sure to not over tighten when you do that because the gun will break. And there you go. Disassembly of the UTG L96. Okay, so if you have any questions, just message and please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.